Hi there, welcome everyone. I am Amherst Cut Kicks. We are back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We are doing another unboxing video. Thanks Foot Locker Canada for the hookup. These just showed up in the mail yesterday. This is another pair of Jordan 3s. You guys may have seen my Denim 3 unboxing video. If you haven't, it's on my channel. Please make sure to watch it. Now, I also got these for the same price as the Denim 3s. They were retail. They're just randomly restocked, only in one size on footlocker.ca. These aren't my size, these are size 10, but I was told by quite a few people in the sneaker community in my hometown that if you want to resell sneakers, sometimes if you can't get them in your size, just buy them in a random size and put them up for sale and someone will end up buying them. Because sometimes it's not only about yourself, like, collecting for yourself and only your size. Like, you can do that, there's nothing against it. It's just sometimes, if you can't get certain pairs in certain sizes, just buy a random size out of, the size chart on the website and just resell it. I have probably about two, maybe, yeah, well, now three pairs of Jordans that I'm trying to sell. Well, these will go up for sale today. I already have two pairs that are already for sale. I have the Jordan 1 Zoom High Xana Greens, and then I have the Jordan 3 Denims. And now there's these ones. I love the box for these. They did a split colorway. One side is the elephant print, and the other side's red with the Jumpman logo in black. There we are. Suggested retail for these was $2.65 Canadian. I call these the red cements. Now you may know which ones we're talking about. I don't remember exactly when these were released. If you know, comment down below. Let me know from what website, like Foot Locker, or no, not Foot Locker, Goat or StockX. If you can find out exact release date for these. I know they released this year, or it may have been last year sometime. These are the red cement Air Jordan 3 Retro SEs. So SE probably means special edition. Fire red, cement, and gray. That's the official colorway for them. And let's get into how they look. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. And they come with, oh no way, they come with two different extra sets of laces. They have a pair of black laces that come in them from factory. The quality on these is actually pretty nice. Come with a really like plush tumbled leather. So the whole upper of it is mostly this tumbled red leather. Then you have this perforated gray leather on the back around the ankle collar. You have the Nike Air logo in white on the heel, debossed. And then you have the black pull tab. Has a cement print around the back like this, and I believe it's either nubuck or it might be suede. You have black plate around the back to keep put some structure to the shoe. You have the visible air unit in the back as usual. Nothing different on their Air Jordan 3s. Then you have a white midsole. Wraps all the way around. Then you have this elephant print on the front, or cement print, as the same as the back. You got it's not a nylon tongue. I believe this one might be leather. And it's got the red Jumpman logo on it. And then you got flat black laces. And then on the inside, the sock liner is all gray also. Insole says Nike Air in a white. It's stamped on, and it's got a red insole. Got a gray, white, and red outsole. And then it's the same stuff with this. Whole upper consists of red leather that's tumbled, gray ankle collar. Sock liner is in, I believe it's either polyurethane, the same as the insole. Same insole has Nike Air on it in white, so red insole, white Nike Air logo on the heel, debossed on a black pull tab, cement print on the back, and then has a black plate wrapped around to add structure to the shoe, white midsole, and then you got the cement print around the front, gray tongue, you got the red Jumpman logo, and then white, gray, and red outsole. Now, I've been eyeing these for some time now. They're still available on, they randomly restock on Foot Locker sometimes. One boutique I usually order from is the Closet Inc. It's a sneaker boutique. They also have a website here in Canada. I believe it's from Ontario. They're pretty good with the shipping. They have a full size run almost on these. Those are actually on sale. I paid retail like full price on these, but they have them on sale if you're looking to save a little bit of money. Resale's not that much on these right now. It might shoot up eventually. I'm waiting for the blue cements to come out, the ones that are releasing soon. Those are fire. Those are dope. I love those. Really nice. Some people are hating on them. I don't understand why. I think they're nice. Um, and then the red laces look fairly nice, but I think I'm probably just gonna sell them the way they are. And then with the shoes, and then you got the white laces. White laces would look pretty fire too. But I think the black probably goes with the colorway the best. But that was my video for today, guys. Much love. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until later, take care. Love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye.